Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to show a very beautiful crochet heart bracelet pattern. I had seen these hearts on the internet and I couldn't stop myself from making a beautiful bracelet out of it. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful red hearts, perfect for the Valentine's Day or any day for that matter. This is not my pattern. I had seen it on the internet and I'm so grateful to the person who has made this. It is absolutely wonderful. I'm just going to share it with you so that you can also make a beautiful bracelet, or you can just use one or two hearts for any project you like, and it is very easy. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first I'm going to share what all we will require. This is my thread and this is anchor knitting cotton. Okay, I hope you can see the description. So this is my cotton thread and it has a beautiful shine, so I just love this thread. And I will be using a crochet hook. This is a 1.75 mm, and I will also use some, you need just one button. You can take any, whatever you like according to the color and design, whatever you feel like. We also need a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle to stitch the button and to finish off the ends. So that's all that we require. So let's get started with the pattern. I'm going to start with a slip knot like this. Twist it and pull a loop through this twisted loop. This is my slip knot, and now I'm going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now this 10 chains, it actually depends on the size of the button that you are using. So if you are using a bigger button, you have to increase the number of chains, so that the loop that we are making with this chain, insert the hook into the first chain like this, yarn over and pull through, and you get a ring like this. So this ring should pass, the button should pass through this ring. Okay, so this is totally up to the button that you are using. So you can increase or decrease the number of chains according to the button that you are using for the closure. Okay, so once you have completed making the ring, go ahead and make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And now you have to make 4 trebles in the 4th chain from the hook. So yarn over twice. Now you have 3 threads on the hook. 1 is the loop and 2 we have yarned over. Okay, and now count the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4th. So insert your hook into this 4th chain from the hook, yarn over. Now you have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. Like this you have to make 4 double trebles in this same chain. Again yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So I have made 2 trebles. I am going to make 2 more. So here I have made 4 trebles in the same chain. That is the 4th chain from the hook. Now into the next chain I am going to make 2 double crochets. Yarn over once. Insert your hook into the next chain, which is here. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through and yarn over, pull through 2. 1 double crochet and 1 more double crochet into the same chain. And now into the next chain, make 2 single crochets. Insert your hook into the next chain over here, yarn over, make a single crochet, into the same chain 1 more single crochet, like this. Now chain 1, insert your hook into the 2 loops of the last single crochet. Insert your hook into these 2 threads of the last single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop and just pull through this chain. One side is completed. Now we will work on the other side of this chain. So just turn your work a little bit like this. Okay. And now into the very same chain where you had worked 2 single crochets over here, turning it to the other side, make 2 single crochets in the same space. 1 and 2. Okay, see. And now into the next chain where we had worked 2 double crochets, make 2 double crochets in this same chain. So yarn over, insert your hook into this same space, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a double crochet. 1 and into the same space 1 more double crochet. Sorry. So I have made 2 double crochets into this space where we had made 2 double crochets on this side. And now into this last chain where we had worked 4 trebles, make 4 more trebles. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into this same space and make 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have completed making 4 trebles. On this side we had started with 4 trebles, 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 picot. On the other side 2 single crochet, 2 double crochet and 4 trebles. And now to finish this heart, chain 2, insert your hook into the same space and yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through, make a slip stitch. So here you have a heart done. This is the first heart. We have completed one heart. Now I'm going to show you how to make the next heart. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now the pattern remains the same. Yarn over twice and make 4 trebles into the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. One, two, three, and 4. Now 2 double crochets into the next chain over here. 1 and 2. 2 single crochets into the next chain. 1 and 2. Now chain 1 and insert your hook into this 2 threads right on top of this stitch. Yarn over, pull through and pull through. So this is our picot. Now turn to the other side like this. Our half heart is completed. Now insert the hook into the last chain where we had worked 2 single crochets. Make 2 more single crochets into the same chain. 1 and 2. Into the next where we had worked 2 double crochets, make 2 more double crochets on this side. 1 and 2. And now into this last chain which you can see as a whole, there you have to make 4 trebles. So once you complete 4 trebles, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into this same center hole like this and pull through. So our second heart is also complete. So, and again we will go towards the next making of the next heart with 7 chains. 5, 6 and 7. So in this way you can go on adding more hearts and you can make it as long as you want. For any project you like, you can use it as an applique, or like I had made a bracelet. And for this bracelet, I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 hearts. Okay. And at the end of it, when you have to finish it off, so this is how you are going to finish it off. Once you have made 2 chains and a slip stitch in the center, just yarn over, pull up a loop and keep a tail long enough so that you can stitch a button right at the top of the last heart, like over here. So that is all that is required to make this lovely bracelet. So go ahead enjoy your Valentine's Day with this beautiful bracelet. Make matching earrings with it, and you can go on imagining and creating beautiful stuff out of this. Once again, I would like to thank the designer of this beautiful pattern. I just love this pattern. And okay, so that's all for today. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is very important. And yes, and it is actually, subscribing is totally free. Some of my friends asked me that do we have to pay something to subscribe to your channel? No, dear friends, subscribing on YouTube is totally free of charge. You don't have to pay anything for the subscription. The only thing you need to do is watch my videos, share it with your friends, and share it as much as you like. And I will be so happy if you ask your friends to subscribe to my channel. And yes, please hit the bell icon, because that is how you will get regular notifications of my new videos. So keep supporting, keep loving my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.